In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from all YouTube channels at once. We're going to use only the official YouTube controls, which is the safest and most reliable way to clean up your subscriptions. There isn't an official one-click unsubscribe from everything button, so the process is repetitive, but I'll show you how to move through it quickly and confidently. Start by opening YouTube in your browser and heading to your subscriptions area. You want the page that shows a list of every channel you're currently subscribed to. This page makes it easy to see everything in one place so you can work from top to bottom without jumping around. Give the page a second to load fully, especially if you've subscribed to a lot of channels. Pick any channel from the list and hover your mouse over the subscribed button next to its name. Click that button. A small menu will appear with an option to unsubscribe. Click unsubscribe. You'll usually get a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove that channel. Confirm by clicking unsubscribe again. You've now successfully removed that channel from your list. Repeat the same click sequence for each channel you no longer want to follow. Click subscribe, choose unsubscribe, and confirm. Working methodically helps. I recommend moving in a straight line down the page so you don't lose your place. If your list is long, you can scroll a bit, clear a group of channels, and then scroll again. Take short breaks if needed. The page will remember your changes as you go. This approach is recommended because it uses official YouTube controls end to end. It keeps your account secure, follows YouTube's policies, and avoids glitches that can happen with workarounds. You might see tools or scripts online that claim to mass unsubscribe instantly. Avoid them. They often require elevated permissions, can violate platform rules, and may put your account at risk. Sticking with the built-in buttons ensures everything updates correctly and your preferences are saved. As you progress, you can refresh the page every so often to see your remaining subscriptions more clearly. If you don't see a change right away, give it a moment. Sometimes the list updates after a brief delay. Continue until you've removed all the channels you no longer want to follow. When you're done, your subscriptions page will reflect only the channels you choose to keep, or none at all if you cleared everything. That's it. Simple, safe, and completely within YouTube's own interface.